What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on a Silverado crew cab. This truck's clean. I like it because it's got a Cadillac conversion on it. He's coming from Portales, New Mexico. He is trailering his truck down here to me. He is bringing it on a big gooseneck trailer though. So I'm going to have to get me a tow truck so we can get it off, because I guess the ramps and all that, it's going to be really hard to get it down. So I am going to be getting a tow truck, flatbed, so we can go ahead and back up to it. We'll get the truck down, we'll bring it down, and then I'll go ahead and put it on my driveway. And we're going to be installing a sunroof on it, a used sunroof. And we're going to be doing a Rolls-Royce Starlight kit on it also. So stay tuned. I'm going to get some more footage of it, hopefully when it arrives. And we'll get the tow truck in, get some footage of it, you know, transferring it from the gooseneck onto the tow truck. And then we'll start the process of installing the sunroof and the starlights. All right, stay tuned. The install done. Sunroof black headliner, and the Rolls-Royce Starlight. It did get dark on us. These Rolls-Royce lights did take a while to install, but let's check it out. Like I said, they got the app, My Smart LED app. Boom. Any color you want. Check it out. Green, yellow, blue. Come on, good. Yeah. Sunroof, I know it's dark out. Let me get a light. There you go. Blacked out everything. Visors. That was the center console and the side pillars were already blacked out, but we just went ahead and blacked out everything else to match. Came out good. It was real good. Waiting for the customer and the tow truck so we can load it back up. Alright, stay tuned.